Okay, now that we've assigned our formative, we want to act or get student responses. One of the things that really separates out Go Formative from competitors is that you can see live responses of students. So, what you can't see is I've got another laptop set up right next to me, logged in as test student, and I'm going to take the formative as a student while showing you what it looks like recording the answers as a teacher. So from my dashboard, I'm going to be able to see. So I've got my two classes here. Green lightning bolts are letting me know that this formative is open and is live. This will tell you how many responses or people have submitted it. So you don't have to see it live, but it'll tell you who submitted it. So if I want to go in and see this, I could go in and click on this and go to view responses, and that would get me in so that I could see my student responses. And another way to get to it is if I go to the test formative here and go to view responses. And this would give me my responses. So again, either way is going to get me to the exact same spot. I really think that this quick access on the dashboard is makes it a real easy thing for you to do. And then what I could do with this intro to formative, if I wanted to assign this, is I could just click right in here and assign it and post it just to the class. Now, remember, if I assign only, it won't make a post notification in my Google Classroom saying that a student has got it. It'll just put it in the classroom so when they log into formative, they would see it as their formative. If you assign and post, what it does is shares the link and puts a post in Google Classroom saying, there's a new formative that you need to go get. So it's a little more discreet if you just do the assign piece of it. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go look at my responses. And so now we're going to see what we've got from our responses. Uh, which media choices give me the most benefits? So I'm going to do here. And so what I can see here is, so see how it's turning gray here? So that's going to be student one. So this is where I'm typing in here school laptop. Right? And I put in here and my Xbox, right? So what I could do is if I see him doing that, I could type feedback for him right here. So I could send him feedback in real time and I could say, does your Xbox really enhance your choices? Right, and I could send that to him. And so then what you're seeing here is it pops up on the student right in his notifications as a student in the top right. I get right away. Does your Xbox really enhance your media choices? So this is what makes Go Formative so amazing, especially if you're going to do something with your distance learning, because then I can do it now as a student. So now watch what I'm going to do here as a student is I can click on that and I can put here. So I can send back, you're right. So you can actually communicate with your student as you're going through here. So then what I'm going to do is we're going to click off of that. I'm going to go question two. I would know my media choices are out of balance when I'm spending too much time on my Xbox. So now you see I got another gray box here. This is the student's audio response. I can listen to it. I would know my media choices are out of balance when I'm spending too much time on my Xbox. So for this next one, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna get the wrong answer. I've got here, I've got Iron Man is gonna be my wrong answer. So then I can go here, and this is what test student has given me. So what I can do here with this is I can also give them. Um, I can use a slider bar for how many points would I like to give them based on that question. right? So do I give them partial credit or not? So this is as I'm going through, I'm grading it, right? I think that's an excellent question. So I'm going to give him the full point for it. This one, put his Xbox in there, so I'm probably going to give Burke half credit for that one for my test student. And then where we also get into, so now if I'm going to show my work, what is 3 plus 3? So then what I can do here is 3 plus 3. Right. And then, so if I go up here to show my work, I've got a drawing tab here. So then as a student, I can do 3 plus, let's see here. So you guys are watching this as we're going here. 3 plus 3, and I can do equals 6. Right. So I can see this in real time exactly as the student is doing. I can draw feedback for them. So if I wanted to, on Burke's or test students' canvas, I can give them a little smiley face here if I want to let them know. And this will go right to test student B's canvas. So then he would have his canvas. So I've got that and I can send that back to him. So then he'll have his feedback for that assignment. And we'll just continue on down here. I can organize mine. So I'm going to organize them here to this one goes with the Avengers. And when I'm done, I can submit my responses and exit my assignment. And so then I can see that the test student had submitted their responses. And what did he do? How did he do with this? If he got them right, if he didn't get them right. And so I can give him, looks like got one of them right. So going to get 2 points. I'm going to give him 2 points for that one. And so I can get there and send feedback for them. And that would be how you could immediately act on and view the responses of your students. And so it shows you where they're at with it.